Day 115. So, my mail finally came last night as I was uploading the other video. That's why it's the thumbnail of yesterday's video, 114. But here we go, I'll show you. So one of my packages was the accumulator, and I already set it up to about 33 psi, 34, 35. I couldn't really tell when you take the pump off, but I've already set it up to be connected, and I also used the connection piece that came with the water pump to attach to here, so I don't have to buy another connection piece. That's pretty good too, I hope. We'll see. And yeah, I do know I need to put some tape around all of this, but I'm just placeholding it right now. So, but that should get me a little bit better of idea of how I need to do this whole area. I still have to figure out the inlet hatch and all that other stuff, but I'll figure it out. Then another one of my packages was my shower head, the Nebium by Moem. Thank you, Gilligan Phantom, for recommending it a little bit with your videos. And honestly, I think this is going to do pretty well, and I'm kind of excited about putting it and setting it up. So hopefully I can get to that today as well. We'll see. So everyone knows, I accidentally made a piece of PEX way too short, and it got stuck earlier in this right here, like this, and it got stuck. It was basically in where I couldn't get it out. It was just inside, and even with the disconnect piece, I couldn't even get a good fitting around it to be able to pull it out. So what I figured out is, honestly, you just get an adjustable wrench and you hold it like right here, exact size that you need, and you should be able to just pull it out. This takes some time, but it saves a little bit, I'll say that. Just like that, if you push it hard enough, you can get it right. You can eventually get it out. That's good, I'll say that. And to test and make sure that what I just did is good, I'm going to tighten this one like that. And there's no air escaping it, and I made this one a little bit bigger that way I can easily just pull this one off. And now, if you can see it, I fed it right there through here, and it's just now peaking right there, and that's perfect. I'm so glad I bought those needle nose pliers, because now it's through enough, and I still have some extension over here. So what I'm going to do is push this to where, well, actually, I'm going to pull this over here until it gets rid of all that excess. And just to be safe, I'm going to leave it there. So a mistake I just made, I'm getting kind of used to them, I guess, but a mistake I just made right now is I didn't measure enough to go all the way to just basically have an elbow right to it. It's only to like right here at this distance, and it needs to get to right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a one-way on that's basically just a coupling, and I'm going to get a bigger piece of that and pull it through. That way I don't have to go through that whole thing again. I'm going to connect it to this and just pull it all the way through to this, and I'll detach this, and then I'll have the whole thing on the other side again. So hopefully this works. And it's done. And it goes all the way over to here. And honestly, that should be pretty good size, because I think it'll go right there. And I'll just attach one or two things real quick to make it so it could just fit right on, because I did the sink, because I'm only gonna have cold water in it like this, and that should connect with an elbow and a small little piece right there. That should work perfectly, and it works with air pretty well, so there's really no way that I see that it could be wrong. And now back to Home Depot again, basically living there as my third home, to get the water output attachment, because this one, which I was gonna basically just go and get another one of those because I don't have one, but it doesn't fit this. This does. This side right here. So I have to figure out what this is and go and get it. I cannot figure out why I cannot connect any of the female, hold on a second, of this female, nope, this female to male, male PEX to female adapter for 1/2 inch to this. It just will not thread in correctly. It threads in like maybe one turn, but that's about it. I gotta figure that out, and I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot again to figure it out, because I was just there testing it and it worked for this and it looked like the same thread, but I'm gonna go back again and figure it out. But I'm first gonna continue and connect all of the faucet piping, and then after that I'm gonna start working on the shower piping to basically have like a good yeah, just have the shower so it can get hot water, even though I can't connect it to the hot water out from the EcoTemp L10. So Yeah, the female to half-inch to pecs male is still not attaching correctly to this. So what I did is they had a garden hose to half-inch adapter. So the half-inch adapter goes in like this, and then I bought a garden hose adapter to the what is it called? Oh, to the half-inch that fits. I've already tested it. That fits with my the female Depex, so that should work. And I'm back from Home Depot again. I had to get more elbows. So here we go. I go. I figured I should go ahead and give you a quick overview of what I've accomplished and what's left. So, you come from here to a freshwater tank, and it goes through here to the water pump, and then to the accumulator, and then it comes to this T. This is going to be, the T is going to be connected to the city shore water from the hatch, the inlet hatch right outside. I still don't have that yet. It's coming Wednesday. Then that's also going to be connected to the vent and the fill, gravity fill. Then, so that's going to have a one-way right there. And then from here, it's going to keep going. And this is to my sink. Right there, the one that's connected goes to my sink. And this, once I have this mounted, once I have the wall up and everything, and I have it situated, this is my water out for the hot water, which is going to be connected with that, which goes to the shower over here, which comes up to there. I'll get to that in a second. But then this is my water in. So that is going to be connected to here once it is set up, because I don't really think I need to make another elbow or anything. This needs an elbow, but yeah, I have that. It's right there. So that should be all set up when I'm done. But from here, the shower line goes all the way over here and it comes out right here. And I had a, I don't know what drill bit it was, this 5/8 bit that cut me a hole perfectly to size. I even had to look it up and everything. That comes from that wall, has an elbow, goes up, comes through this hole I cut in here, which is pretty sturdy. Then it's gonna come up. And I think all I have to do is connect this, and this has some ears to it, so I can connect it to a piece going sideways. So that should be very well done. But let me just go through it. So the one that connected, the one that goes to the sink, keeps going and comes out, like you guys saw, right through there. And it keeps going. And there's another ball valve, so I can turn it off and make sure it's off no matter what. And then another elbow, because then it will connect to this and supply with just cold water, because I don't need hot water here. So I think that's actually pretty well done for the fresh water. And the only thing I have to do left is the gray water. So I'm gonna get started on that soon, because I can't really do anything until I get that inlet hatch and until I set up the walls, till I get that other thing set up. Yeah, the wall set up, and then I finish and do my my shower head and everything. The Nibia by Moam, got that one. So I think that should work, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. The gray tank's coming. Gray system is coming.